needed salt.
Jesus fucking Christ, these fucking Hicks can't even get this right.
Heartbreaking to hear those women talk about what they were going through and what they are going through. The second woman, Joan, her case is really not very unusual. Her husband was the financial planner. She really did not have much involvement in the finances at the home. What are your thoughts on that?
Women tend to have the feeling that they're not confident. Men tend to be overconfident, actually, in the financial area. And women have to take responsibility and have to accept the fact that something like this
We don't need no do-da-dee-da. We don't need no thought control.
You have to have a contingency plan if your husband doesn't come home, and you have to take care of the finances.
Something wrong, Tony?
No. Why?
You sure, Tony? There's not something you want to talk about?
No. Like what?
Despite your best efforts, I have an attorney who is going to aggressively pursue my custody of AJ and also an equitable distribution of our assets.
Our assets?
I am through trying to get you to provide beyond the minimum I need to live.
Oh, so it's fucking money. That's all this is to you?
After all we've been through, is it so hard to own up to anything beyond that bullshit tax return?
Go stand over there. I'll call you when I'm ready. You want money? How about my 40 grand you stole out of the bird feeder? That should be plenty. You're such an investment genius.
You want this to get ugly, Tony? Because these guys live for that.
Oh, you think I don't? The only reason you have anything is because of my fucking sweat. And you know every step of the way exactly how it works. But you walk around that fucking mansion in your $500 shoes and your diamond rings. And you act like butter wouldn't melt in your mouth. And you don't want it to get ugly. Too late.
I want what I am entitled to.
You're entitled to shit. She's ready to order.
God fucking damn it!
What? That's good, right?
No. I only bet 10.
But you won.
What did I say? Huh? What did I tell you? It's a sure thing.
You talk about this crap like it's science, Tony.
I lost a lot of fucking money.
You didn't lose.
We could have turned your bullshit into a fucking $1 million.
My bullshit? That spec house was my investment. For my future.
Here we go.
Jenny Sack had to move in with her fucking daughter, Tony.
Again with Jenny Sack, huh? John provided. She's a fucking hysteric. You ever think I might know what I'm doing? You and the furniture and the clothes and the cars, you would have spent everything I made, if I let you.
You know what? The next time you win, I'll take a cut and I'll roll the fucking dice.
You already took your cut from the bird feeder, and don't fucking deny it again. What, 40 grand in the stock market? I'd ask for my piece, but wait, there's nothing. And that spec house, I made the down payment. I bought the materials. I leaned on that building inspector, and you had your thumb up your ass. So stop talking about your money.
Let go of me, you piece of shit!
Fact is, you're a shitty businesswoman who built a piece of shit house that's gonna cave in and kill that fucking unborn baby any day. And now you can't sleep.
Fuck yourself!
When I'm gone, you can live in a fucking dumpster for all I care.